So this is lesson 4.7 in elementary algebra, and it's called dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Now there are several ways of doing this. We're going to start out real basic here. That's what we like, is basic, as we're learning how to do this. 10x cubed minus 15x squared, and we're dividing it by 5x. Alright, what we're going to do is, since both of these terms are over 5x, we're going to split them up. We're going to write it as 10x cubed over 5x minus 15x squared over 5x. And then we're going to cancel. 10 over 5 is 2. Whoops, there's an x there, isn't there? Is 2. And then I can cancel. I can take one of these x's and get rid of it, and then one of these x's. I had 3 there, now I have 2. 15 over 2 is 3, and I've got 1x there, and I'm going to take away 1x there. I'm going to cancel ones I can, and I've got that. So I end up with an answer of 2x squared minus 3x for my answer. Gosh, that's pretty much the lesson. Let's try a couple examples here, and then let you guys take off with this. So this might be a kind of a short lesson. 3x squared minus 6 divided by 3. Okay, we're going to write it as 3x squared over 3 minus 6 over 3. So that sign just follows along. 6 over 3 is 2. That's going to cancel with that, and we're done. Book does it a little bit different. That's okay. I think their way is a little bit more confusing. Okay. 4x squared over 2 minus 2 over 2. So 4 over 2 is 2, and 2 over 2 is 1, and you're done. Alright, let's keep plugging along here, and I'm going to show you eventually another way of doing these, but let's just keep going. It says find the quotient of 27x cubed, this is example 4, minus 9x squared and 3x. So they're asking you to divide 27x cubed over 3x minus 9x squared over 3x. Alright, so let's do some canceling here. 27 over 3 is 9. Get rid of that, one of those x's, and get rid of one of those, and we're left with an x squared. Minus 9 over 3 is 3. Get rid of that one, get rid of one of those, and I'm left with just an x there. Okay, so let's keep getting a little more complicated as we go here, but one of the things you'll notice is the procedure is the same. Example 5. Divide 15x squared y minus 21xy squared by negative 3xy. Okay, so here we go. Split them up. Okay. 15 over negative 3 is negative 5. So that gets rid of the 15 and the negative 3. Alright, we'll cancel that 1x with one of these x's, and that leaves us an x on top. Get rid of both of these y's. Y over y is 1, so those disappear. 21 over 3 is negative 7. Put parentheses there because I have two signs there next to each other, and so it's always good just to put a parenthesis there. Cancel that x with this x, and cancel that one y with one of those y's, and I'm left with that. So two negatives there gives me a positive, and we are done. Alright, let's do example 6, and then we will be done. Golly, 5 minutes-ish. 24x cubed y squared plus 16x squared y squared minus 4x squared y cubed over 8x squared y. Okay, so again, let's do it this way. Let's put that x squared y under each one of these. So I've got the handy dandy eraser, so I can just do that. So what was it? 8x squared y, 8x squared y, 8x squared y. Alright, we'll cancel with blue. 24 over 8 is 3. Two of those, left with 1. Get rid of one of those and one of those, left with 1. 16 over 8 is 2. X squared over x squared, any number over itself is 1, so it just goes away. 1y there, get rid of 1y up there, we're left with this one. Minus 4 over 8 is 1/2. X squared over x squared is 1, so that goes away. One of the y's and one of the y's here. Okay? And we can actually get rid of this 1 up there and just get y squared over 2. And that's it. So, real fast and simple. And gosh, we're only into 6 minutes, but we'll do another video over the problem set.